We all know that in QMath, we follow active learning, and queuing is the key to achieve active learning in classes. Today in this video, you are going to learn what is queuing, why it is important, and how that can be implemented in classes. So let's start with what is queuing. Queuing is asking relevant questions from students in such a way that it leads the students in the correct direction of solving problems. When a student tries to solve any question and gets stuck, at that point helping the student by giving small hints with which he starts thinking for the next coming steps is queuing. Queuing is a teaching methodology where teacher encourages student to apply their logical and reasoning abilities and the student try to get the solutions on their own. Now let's see why queuing is important in teaching. Queuing is important for letting students think and to let them come up with their approaches of solving problems and to make them independent thinker. Queuing allows students to think freely and discuss all the methods of solving problems. Instead of following particular procedures or mugging up the methods of solving problems, by queuing, teacher can help the students to enhance their reasoning and logical abilities. Queuing not only helps the student, but it is also a great tool for teachers. When a teacher uses queuing in her teaching, she gets to exactly know where the student is lacking or exactly at what point he needs help. For example, if any student is solving a problem of geometry and gets stuck in it or getting the answer incorrect, in that case, queuing is the way by which the teacher gets to know whether the student has doubt in the theorems or properties related to the particular concept, or he has gone wrong in the algebraic calculation, or he has simply done a mistake which is of arithmetic calculation. And by knowing the types of mistakes done by her student, teacher can make her teaching more effective and more beneficial for students. If a student is stuck in a question and the teacher explains it, he might get the feeling of not knowing the concept as the teacher had to explain the whole solution to him. On the other hand, if the teacher gives him a small hint instead of explaining the whole problem, the student completes the solution on his own by using the hint and gets the feeling of accomplishment, which in turn develops confidence in the student. We have seen how queuing is important in teaching, but now the question remains, how can queuing be implemented in teaching? To learn that, let's check out a few more videos.